Ain't that kind of shit you can't sweep under no rug, you know? Be real! Town is the villains and you're just a koala bear. So whenever I'm sidestepping, cover your head like a dingo. Them shooters been waiting for this, suckers been hating for this. You know why? Because so many y'all relating to this. Jealous is how they feel it intentionally, but they start to love it because I made it eventually. Drop kick the music, I keep the music like a spiral kick. Cause Town's villains ain't in here for nothing. I keep the average crowd jumping. Yo, you know the color, them white fellas and black fellas always down to make noise and be all gammon. He's all. So you better get back unless you wanna come with it and make it big, you know? Like a target and close your eyes when I bowl you over. You're crying foul with fear, but it's with fear that you're trying to milk a penalty. You're waking up in the sweat cause Townsville Cowboys is giving bad dreams. And I'm not scheming, I'm just telling the facts. That's how it is when TSV started running and break the defense to the other team that don't want to run it straight against us. That squeezing and sidestepping will have to laugh with me, especially asking the ref to go to the video ref. I just snatched the rugby ball and score, try and give you the middle finger. Cause when it comes to Townsville, North Queensland Cowboys, there's no comparison. And if you try to be it's quite embarrassing. But I understand cause you're mentally slow. Cause I can tell from your body language you're too dumb and stupid, you idiot, to go.
Run it straight, take the hit. Up ya in ya, too deadly. Which way? Same way. S.O.Bala, Townsville Cowboys back and they about to attack. Run it straight, take the hit. Too deadly, which way? Same way. S.O.Bala, Townsville Cowboys back and they about to attack.
Let me break their defense there, alright, bet. I can tell that you're afraid to tackle me simple because you lost the crowd and they had to applause and shout for me because your supporters is a no support, but there's a support for us, I'm a threat. So start making them tackles and breaks and pull up your socks and tie up your rugby boots and clean the dirt off your face. The cause is zero.
Egg on your head.
And losing to us is like getting a duck. Quack, quack, quack. It's ridiculous thinking that you can take the ball and run straight. This is the round where the punch will go into your HEADTSV rules. You better believe that's known as a blow. I'm making this play, but it's the play that I'm making. Like, see, I'm hating the fake and I keep the suckers like shaking, scared to speak with a thought when they're chosen. The sound of my voice in the ear and they're frozen. This is a battle to the death. It's like the same, you big ol' against a brother on a tip with an eastern brown snake. Pink sexist, giving a pain, but it's with pain that I'm giving. But I'm comparing and tearing them, but I'm making a living with the hype of a prophet. Forwards vote battery and the odds for me to conquer is averagely good, meaning I'm a flow. I'm from North Queensland, Townsville, so yo, I'm ready to go.
Run it straight, take the hit. Up ya in ya, too deadly. Which way? Same way.
Yo, DJ MONA-TA5.
Townsville Cowboys back and they about to attack.
Man, what you gonna do now? Start cheating and start a fight, go figure. The do not disturb sign is in effect while I'm thinking of you being small Buddha to select to give these gaming kids the verdict, so there's more of these gaming kids. Slamming my vocals in the face with the rest, and I tackle them and dump them in the ground.
I took the win out of him, bruss.
Tell them they're guilty and peep out the bailer and get it their reserve bench so I can play with scared and fear. Pumping it loud when I run it and make them hits on the field. Yo, you wanna play in my game? Put on a North Queensland Townsville Cowboys jersey. It ain't a rule in the book you have to go by. Hey, cause when it comes to cheating, yo, you should know for fear in the hearts, cause it's the hearts full of fear. Cause what you hear in your ear is something too deadly, my bruss. What up, Joe? The crocodile was incredible, yo, but DJ MONA-TA5 was super. But now I'm ruthless, black fella, not a trooper, but a soldier with a top ranking, giving dope material. The hell with the ganking, so play like your scooter and just cruise. And keep your blood pressure low, cause I'm a threat. Cause if not, I'm afraid of the show that you're a sucker and you're too nervous to go.
Run it straight, take the hit. Up ya in ya, too deadly. Which way? Same way. S.O.Bala, DJ Townsville Cowboys back and they about to attack. Run it straight, take the hit. Too deadly. Which way? Same way. S.O.Bala, DJ Townsville Cowboys back and they about to attack. Run it straight, take the hit. Too deadly. Which way? Same way. S.O.Bala, DJ Townsville Cowboys back and they about to attack.